Have you ever been told that your labs are completely normal, but you feel exhausted, moody, bloated, foggy, or flat out just not yourself? Let me be clear. Standard blood work often misses the hormone imbalances that are wrecking your energy, your weight, mood, and your sleep. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I test hormones at home, what your doctor probably isn't telling you, and how you can order the same test I use with my patients right now. I'm Megan Bliss, NP, a board-certified nurse practitioner and integrative endocrinology specialist. I'm known as a hormone optimization expert for women, particularly in their 30s and 40s, who are done feeling dismissed and ready to take their health into their own hands. In this video, I'm walking you through why standard labs often come back normal, even when you feel awful, the 5 key hormones that I test and why they matter, the exact at-home test I use with my patients, and how you can get started today without needing a doctor's appointment. Most conventional hormone labs rely on a single blood draw, often done at the wrong time of day or at the wrong part of your cycle, and that approach can completely miss the real issues happening during perimenopause, like cortisol spikes and crashes, low progesterone, estrogen dominance, low DHEA and testosterone, and patterns that don't show up on basic labs. And this is why so many women are told everything looks fine when their body is clearly not fine. When I run hormone panels, here's what I measure and why. Cortisol, we do it 4 times a day. 4 tubes to track your stress response, adrenal fatigue, and energy crashes. Progesterone, which is the calming anti-anxiety hormone that keeps you sleeping good and regulating your cycle. Estrogen, estradiol, sometimes estrone and estriol depending on the situation, which is important for your mood, your skin, your periods, and your metabolism, but chaos here causes major symptoms. DHEA, which is your resilience hormone. Low DHEA means burnout, fatigue, and slow recovery. Then there's testosterone, which is vital for motivation, libido, strength, and drive. And most women are never even told that it matters. I use saliva testing from a hormone specialty lab, and it's super simple to do at home. You collect saliva 4 times throughout the day, the big one in the morning, and then 3 throughout the day. There's no blood draws from your doctor and no insurance hoops that you have to jump through. Then you mail your kit directly to the lab, and your results are sent to you and optionally to me for full interpretation. This is the exact test I use with my Handle Your Hormones clients, and now it's available directly to you. Just go to hormoneoptimizationtest.com to order yours today. Once your results are in, you'll know why you feel exhausted, even when you sleep 8 to 10 hours, what's really driving your weight gain or mood shifts, where your hormones are out of sync and how to fix them. And you'll also have the option to upgrade to my Handle Your Hormones program and a personalized interpretation session with me. So if you're ready to stop wondering and start testing, go to hormoneoptimizationtest.com to get your kit now and take the first step toward real answers. And don't forget, subscribe on this channel and turn on notifications because the next video in this series is my top supplements for perimenopause and what to avoid. Remember, your symptoms are messages, and let's actually listen and respond with strategy and not guesswork. You're not broken, you're just in a transition, and now you have a plan.